It took a media and so busia. His Excellency the President, John Mahama, TikTok has phone and then a clash. Aye, own a clash, party more than. Then you find this one and so we can say, oh, hate speech on the internet. Who dia bro, who do guasma? You better track IP. I say no. We benya doing IP mine, Ghana version of IP mine. Aye, sansem no. TikTok has phone by reply. They was say and someone. John Mahama topa, His Excellency, and someone sharing topa. What when you mean no be can say we no. TikTok esi there be. Omuni Mahama ni asim bi aka, but nyame for Mahama e born e nche no. Na ma wonchiri mu no akere wa adwen amame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mesro say need you. Obe like video no other ma subscribe button so be click notification con latest update na be kere wa adwen de amame e wo comment section. Mesro so ba so no a share video for so enya bi ahwe. His Excellency the President John Mahama or can send be during 2024 campaign time. Or can say person who any pesubaya money power. Oh, the money power, over who the subai. And as more kind, in fact, true. Every say, oh, yeah, power sabe be mono. And what dying the subaya the Angasa Ghana for. Now, over Kaya, Adia media naso. Ama Muhammad a trend, Nancy, they meet with the media. I honor or can say, me say, National Signal Bureau, almost any technology where you bit my tracking your phone location using your IP address. Anytime I pass a comment on social media and also make a video behind say, social media no. So when I say video that contains hate speech, any other idea, or make my track location, no my barbecue. That's what kind, you know. And then I want for okay, Bonnie be anymore, but penny for say, he who seek vengeance must come with clean hands. The all power returner. The upper return. Oh, making sure say if he any dem dear ninsa. My be for kwatra he says the president. To one of every campaign mu, you have election mu. As same when Mahama can say, don't be like Ashanti region. They are emotionally attached to the MPP that they don't even think before voting for them. What I say? Mama nyese asane for no emotionally omunya bi wo wa pam na sebi omu go to aba omu nwene mpu no go to MPP o catch the whole region say ya nwene ya adwen ya adwuma ye go to aba ya adwen ya jusu ya adwen ye di ti konkro ni sa na go to aba ke kana just for free ma wo be kai. In 2023 there was an issue of S Gracia. Say omo nika betena kunya so na say unse na ye wo S Gracia sensem bi na nkwasi Mahama egibi no mo no kwebu watena 1 station ba konso kwa Chris as Mahama say o ene S Gracia nyina no wo say etimi track nti Mahama de odi nyina onko famla Mahama ever reply to that ensema kwebu kan ye no oka say your comment is silly. Mahama replies kwebu in 2023 that Tano Hama Assemblies of God are solid penny. Assemblies of God are solid penny. Catch you say your comment is silly. Anya nunkwa. 2020, there was an issue of Airbus scandal because at Tamils, any Mahama memumu ubeka na yesi elupre sembi yesma unu aso unu go to elupre mra ma de no ko ele na say elupre no some scandal be corruption be akoso ho no that particular Airbus no Matia medu e criticize Mahama e wo ho e ma omusa na emu Mahama say official one je say Airbus corruption scandal official one ti omu de Mahama Mahama de official one e no Mahama bu fuye Emma, that official one name tag no man or reply to that. Okay, say what stupidity is this? Asole penny. What stupidity is this? Enya no kwa. 2024. Na ba omi apese omi ti Mahama for debate nya de ade no. Mahama ka che ba omi say stop asking stupid questions because ba de na ba omi ask questions for Mahama say Mahama be answer. Okay, che ba omi should stop asking stupid questions and focus on economy. Or can say today Baumia. Enya nunkwa. Mahama insult Nanado over free SHS. Free SHS no or to Akufo-Addo free, Dinatem free. 2024. Mahama insult Ghanaians for voting for NPP. Don't know what na West or to Ghana for ankasa home. Say we talk about my NPP. The Ghana United. Just because Ghana fought to my NPP for the past 8 years. What does it? Emma 2023 I go for the meeting the clergy for interrogation. Emma, according to Mahama, not all was some kind of expectations be some kind of questions. You don't think a clergy need to be a kufado, a bini LGBTQ, a bini galamsenia the other. But we said those questions. We said Mahama when Ankasa. Mahama be addressing that issue. In fact, his submission. He insulted the clergy over failure to ask questions to attack the government. Mahama insulted the clergy. Just a name when you know Tragui, Esha Mahama to his excellency Esha too. But Oba Yedo was so pass any his speech piano. You better track your IP address. Near bet you. I'm a comedian as a bitch as a Debbie. Omodi Mahama Nishaka. But Nyame. Ehuma hama mobo na onfa ne bone nche atiri a wadi amanfo atwam no nyame mfa ne bone nche
ewiase nyefe Samijamfi during campaign ebegina obeka se Nanado has mental capacity to rule. The then President Akufo-Addo has mental capacity to rule. And Umampani out is where John Mahama so 2020 ebe fresh say Akufo-Addo ene na ban Achem Sakawa boys. Mahama President Mahama osi Akufo-Addo ene na ban Achem Sakawa boys obi enfimo. Ene osi obi kasa na nye ya obechi no. Nyesa. Nyame mfa mbone nchemu. Munum de moye.
Common to you, NDC and His Excellency, a beneficiary of hate speech. Listen to them. Listen to them. I have the litanies of this. Listen to them. Listen to them. Listen. Where is it? Listen.
Nana Akufo-Addo abai. The more they try to prove to Ghana for so many nyansan, the more na no man kasa exposes to be almost stupidity. At the Ghana for. And they be a mekana me say, mini pa Jimmy for, Miss Runi Chabodam ni. Bonam ni dear, Unan so about a monk of an young core, when in to insanity. But Jimmy for, Ubet me now, Ubet Madakateso, one and Batun said this, you were Jimmy. Nini. And yet, grow. Nana the Danko Akufo-Addo say, when you answer pa, Jimmy is all time. And on another by dear.
Missy, Maka, as some way, it will be like a prophecy. Me, Okumangra Makasa, Missy, baby, a Jabby Danko, a Hana and another be woo. Madame Catlemo.
Because at his age, in the natural order of things, if everybody is going according to his age, he has a shorter time.
Who said we are not going to take care of Akufo-Addo? Last metra catch them. We say Akufo-Addo be body to Obian Kuno or not within 6 months or more. The body be Kuno. We can't afford to lose more. There was so many way you say. I was see a show Akufo-Addo in Bawumia. The exit way. Now you're the president Akufo-Addo called in a court. You didn't some. Nana Akufo-Addo, Obeyari, Obu, Obian body to Bonnie Akufo-Addo, Edino, Ebekuno.
Akufo-Addo the overbore mine, no. That's all why some amount for can who be free SHS, not never be out the other bar. Walking in our boy. And that's like you cost near high school in one chronicle school free. Or more school free. One free baby. At the Ahunchile neighbor. Okay.
Mr. Ghana for first time I will home and Penyah. You didn't Kojina Kota Kodinasem and Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo will go to jail. Akufo-Addo will die in prison. I am telling you.
I'm catching say, Kaya Bonia for a young carbon salmon. Someone some the honor. Bonia Moye, Bonsam na my oye day. Oh, yeah. And Akufo-Addo need your way your bonsam by yourself. Yes, what to turn on? Yes, I am made to turn on one. I let you know the Mr. Which I say, Ade, Mela Maker. Okay. Di Akufo-Addo oye ni kurom ha no. Kesi eburu na bu oku no.
Vice President Baumianeri accident na wenya no. Me de me do me de papa. Me from my expecting say. I don't want to play any sympathy game. Me de cause in normal na e koso Ghana ye ka wuntie no. Debi ana wo be hu. Unum pito unum sefufo dia wa ye free. Na uri meko dia uhini beso nsuo. Se osu
Erade na no Africa ya play me kwahwa no so since the 150 cent and mu ye Erade moja edi bimbebre hwere omonkwa enam play crash Erade boy na sa play we to a emofom Erade crash sa mi palo be sa crash sa play we crash okohan crash sa play we Ghana will lose nothing Senye we to fina be mo adwen sa ede na be mo adwen why na the rightful thinking Ubetimi akase wono no records who 8 years records you have no secondary school to your credit, you have no hospital to your credit, you have no national infrastructure to your credit.
All I can say is that those whose political fortunes depend on my ill health and degeneration, all I can say is that we're all in the hands of the Almighty. Amen.
So, abun tambaya shine, what at all has Akufo-Addo done? What at all has Akufo-Addo done? What at all? Me Akufo-Addo. If for nothing at all, Akufo-Addo. If for nothing at all, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo has provided us with free senior high school. If for nothing at all, about 3 million have had access to free senior high school. Those, for some of which, without free senior high school, some of them, majority of them would have stayed home. That's soon Zauna Gida Ba school, ba school, some Wanga Mutum. Kuke wish wangab. Ake chimishi mutunchi kama aka. Somebody who has provided free senior high school to his citizens. Look at the way they were insulting him. This is hatredness. This is not politics at all. This is hatred. This is bitterness. I am telling you. It's never politics. It's bitterness. But even with this, His Excellency John Mahama has never seen a reason to call these people to book. Has never seen a reason to call these people to order. You heard him in the tape, His Excellency. Edouard Sisi, Kajai, you heard him in the tape. Yekeche Wakama. Akufo-Addo is older than him. So in the natural scheme of things, Akufo-Addo will die before him. In other words, he was wishing Akufo-Addo's death. He was wishing Akufo-Addo's death. His Excellency. Now that you are making reference to some people saying that those people who died in the plane crash, they wish it was somebody, that the person will die and dwarfs will eat his body in the forest. So you are not happy with that comment. You are not happy with that comment. You see, I wouldn't have sat here to talk like this. But for what you have done, His Excellency, for what you have done, for what you have done, His Excellency, you see, telling the President of the Republic that if he embarks on a trip, the plane should crash. And these people are communicating for your party. These people are communicating for you. You never saw a reason to tell them to stop. Come on. So, you just want to be president, right? At the detriment of some people's happiness. You want to be president at the detriment of some people's reputation. You want to be president at the detriment of some people's dignity. Right? You have been president. You are the president now. To what ends? To what ends? The Akufo-Addo that you wish him death, he's still alive. 81 and counting. He's still alive. Would you insult Akufo-Addo today? Would you? You see? Is it that you tell me that all these assaults to Akufo-Addo, was about governance, right? If it is about governance, what are we seeing now? Are we seeing governance? Are we experiencing good governance in Ghana? So am I right to do the same thing to you? Am I right to do the same thing to you? Look at the insecurity in Ghana. Look at the state of insecurity in Ghana. Look at that. Am I right to do the same thing to you?
Hello, fellow Ghanaians. This is for God and country. I'm Penyah John Mahama. Listen to me attentively. Listen to me. I'm Penyah. Oh, short memory. Oh, short memory. Oh, short memory, pa. Now, if I should remember you, words, phrases that you've used in this country on political platforms, you don't say I call my before. Hinted you actually concerning a woman Penyah John Mahama. Today, you have the gust to stand and tell the Ghanaians, say, Obi kakasabi, and Obi kabibi, edin tokwa, ene hurukasemba Ghana ha. Se parliament passe law biano, wo, and I won't sign executive order biano. Ye betchi Ghana ni bia sabi bibinko ya oka. Penyah Mahama kasokanewa. You stood on political platform and told we Ghanaians, say, nobody should try violence with NDC. They have violence, NDC. And I the most violent political party in the history of Ghana. And now what can na dem butaye and na would show party for it. Ampa, you're too about ye, Koba say, or Penyah Mahama, what didn't come about anymore. Share Rukasem, Jimmy, and then kwasi asemwa or party supporters, and then on post our bamu a ye. I must no mabiti say Malik Bazintali. Timi frese we hear members na kudin kwasi asem. Na empowerment Penyah John Mahama. Before and after, yanto kasa. And I also the end. Mahama, oh short memory. Na media ye kasa you incompetent. But I will say so you are the most incompetent politician in the history of Ghana. Penyah, yanti has saying, Ana Sofo Azoka. Ejina kwati asan ko beto Avenue Markins, a young minority leader, our minority leader of parliament, the president of the Republic of Ghana, ko beto noa and kebeye another by-election over the constituency. So now, Penyah John Mahama, on country wo ho. Penyah, look, Chrome has saying, the fact say to Abama so Ghana Penyah chere say, wa dwuma bie ana unyansa sisi obia o no ayabane sabi enipa bi epe wasem ne omama dwumu omre atawachi ato ama man ne we Ghana Penyah yeditum. But going forward, I want to tell you, say, John Mahama won't me na Ghana for. Won't me fa sabi won't tro and no short memory. Now with the journal na Ghana for. It will never happen in this country. So far Zoka, Monchinentum, Some say abronye aka de enka ene owo he akwere court in the police station asem. So far as okay. IGP tete yonu wase wo invitation ade man no se bia enkwase asem. And then amoye wo ho. Galamse. Ene Mahama. Yesi wo Mahama. Dem kwati wo Galamse site. Am man ko hwe bi. Em rante e bon komo a beti odidi a farm of somebody said John Mahama. Wo ene wa makwan ese Galamse ni enkoso. Na ye kan sin a enye nwanwa fi se beto aba kwakubu ahia na obo nto ama wo. Ko Galamse site ko ka kire nkwala ne se wo man pan John Dramani wo ba be makwan ama Galamse akoso. Ama na Galamse task force cost site cost of illegal mining nyina no magunu ama na da sorry ya excavators brew 20 trillion anajo ma o man pan John Dramani Mahama o na wo defend say those excavators no because of traffic in move anajo clearing agent what's up babiem o man pan clearing agent what's up babiem wa clear na kroma say ye po bi a on kan kore empa mamu no man ya nu nyam no man sabi enkoso ya wa ana uba ya o si chief justice untun ni nya adwuma e dentan tun ni nya adwuma tama a lista ene akoga mo kodinse hunu aya chiwom tumu o mampani uyi mu firi mu meboa na ya mpa mampani Mahama look krowi mu wahu so pese atina mu se Ghana fo ebetom se Ghana fo atina mu se wo oso e bai Ghana ni bia dia o mampani isusa na so boa unhu so da ye ma unhu so because there's no way se man kwan ama krowi aye de ope senepa e maswi hwe the insecurity a asoro krowi mu the insecurity level a krowi akodru now minister Muntaka Mubarak entimi nye hwe rekoka na abegyina aka kire se so bi masa hwe wachi gu ho John Dramani Mahama wachi gu ho we are telling you this ye de ye ni watem ye be kan okure na akire na okure se ya enwa ye be ma di promo has say una wa short memory for so kasa na refi won san kofa de o kan ye no san be dia dance sa tia wan kasa ho president mani president kotobekum ma be ni mampani hwe wake up anya sa what dey see on the pan if you get fed up with you hit the streets and that's our constitutional right say be behind Ghana for we need to demonstrate and that demonstration to be the biggest demonstration on earth to take it from me for God and country
on fait o share Rebecca skin pa na o hye nanim dua na o hye oba shoulder ebuogum kakra o hye de komo atwitwa oba ho fe se o gira ne naso na okofa kwanta we di de chia na sika ho den sika ye mogya mpa menim de ma Rebecca kufo do hye akwa we ti apempem ka se mepewo medwene ho a me sa de na eha me etetete me say Rebecca menim ewia na Rebecca so no mwi
president wakasa yi si ebecheche dia eyepa na emom ko se wo Kevin Taylor atamo ba Ghana no na wo se mudi kan chine na mudi set example no bia on se die TikTok ene ho awan social media no di atama ebechewo na se mo anche Kevin Taylor e mama na ba Ghana asa be ye bosu mudi national security ne ya sa bon ho ban ono o e pay setter ye ka teni wo social media ono ohini David eni sound Twini Jonas omuna start no me batch omuna start di atem omunyina so di atem NDC ana mo yom kutupa yodum saa na ise obi a MPP fo nyina so aso ne echi aka nya kufa ne dey kan cheche omugum afede mo se yechi dia mo starting from hoy ada mo akwachi abronye na mo agya mo maka mo de ende ese sekan no o baby etwa entwa mfa baby nyeza so ne yede yobu o man se mo so beche dia monchi obi a NDC a monchi MP Kevin Taylor Monica anchi no ko so on kwa de nyini pa ba ko no di ethnic group nyina atem obi atem
tribe nipa o politics Akufo Addo kwada no mo bo di na tem sa na o police ni di watem dia won say ya akwachi na ni di Akufo Addo atem na police wona mu no ara ma akwachi o nipa odi wo matem so ye ntino ma mu nyesa ntro kabitele di nipa atem di mo hwe no ni na akora bi na watete no wo Spain o sen no ni tipse yi no boxer yo no think of atem di nipa fun ene kan fun we di atem bia ntimi nyo mo hwe ene de mo nse acheche mu de di mo atem ayaya nyesa
kyerɛ wadwe ma me ɛwɔ comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.